Hello everyone. I'm here to introduce my IBM project real-time communication system powered by AI for specially abled person, and our team ID is PNT 2022 TMID 43826. The real-time communication system powered by AI for specially abled. In our society, we have people with disabilities. The technology is developing day by day, but no significant developments are undertaken for the betterment of these people. Communications between deaf mute and a normal person has always been a challenging task. It is very difficult for mute people to convey their message to normal people, since normal people are not trained on hand sign language. In emergency time, conveying their message is very difficult. The human hand has remained a popular choice to convey information in situations where other forms like speech cannot be used. Voice conversion system with hand gesture recognition and translation will be very helpful to have a proper conversation between a normal person and an impaired person in any language. The project aims to develop a system that converts the sign language into a human hearing voice in their desired language to convey a message to normal people, as well as convert speech into understandable sign language for the deaf and dumb. And you guys noticed that technical architecture, and this that was the technical architecture of the project. And now we're going to the GitHub. Here the first process is the image pre-processing. Import image data generator library and configure it, and the other is the apply image data generator functionality to train and test it. Here the process is that all images are unzipped and importing every image and from the library and configuring it to the system. And here there are more than 18,000 images that belongs to different classes, 15,750 images belonging to 9 classes, and other images belonging to 9 classes. And the next one is the image pre-processing. Here we importing the needed libraries to the system and we are executing that. And the next one is the model building. As seen before, unzipping every image, and here we go, train and test the data. And the next one we have seen early, model building, importing every libraries that are needed for our project. After building the model, we have to save that. And the next is model building and testing the data, like we seen here, unsaving the images, data augmentation, importing the needed libraries and training it, training the image and testing the image. Here with the model building, test the model. Here we testing the model with the help of importing the libraries, such as we are sending an image to test the output, and we get the predictor letter depending upon the images that we are assigned to. And the next one is train CNN model on IBM. Training our image classification models on IBM Cloud using IBM Watson Studio service. Training our model on IBM, storing our model on IBM. Now we are going to see the Flask application. And now we imported the functions and libraries to create the Flask application. And we also used login and registration pages for user authentication using HTML, and we loaded the model that has previously trained and tested. And the future scope of this project is having a technology that can translate hand sign language to its corresponding alphabet is a game changer in the field of communication and AI for the specially abled people such as deaf and dumb. And the conclusion of this project is that sign language is a useful tool for facilitating communication between deaf and hearing people. Because it allows for two-way communication, the system sends hand gestures to the model who recognize them and display the equivalent alphabet on the screen. And here's the output. The predicting alphabet is good and trained well.